Sure, I can provide some tips and tricks to help you clear the PTE, Pearson Test of English, exam. Here are some suggestions. Familiarize yourself with the exam format. The first step to success in the PTE exam is to understand its format. The exam consists of 4 sections: speaking and writing, reading, listening, and an optional 10-minute break. Each section has different question types and time limits, so it's important to understand these before you start. Improve your English language skills. The PTE exam is designed to test your English language proficiency, so it's crucial to improve your language skills before the exam. You can do this by reading English books, watching English movies, and practicing English speaking and writing. Practice mock tests. To get a feel for the exam, it's important to practice mock tests. These tests will help you understand the format of the exam, the types of questions, and the time limits. You can find mock tests online or use the official PTE practice test. Manage your time. Time management is critical in the PTE exam as each section has a strict time limit. Make sure you read the instructions carefully and plan your time accordingly. Use proper grammar and vocabulary. The PTE exam evaluates your English language skills, including your grammar and vocabulary. Use proper grammar and vocabulary while speaking and writing to get a high score. Listen carefully. The listening section of the PTE exam requires you to listen to audio recordings and answer questions based on them. Listen carefully to the audio and try to understand the context to answer the questions correctly. Stay calm and focused. It's natural to feel nervous during the exam, but try to stay calm and focused. Take deep breaths and concentrate on the task at hand. By following these tips and practicing regularly, you can improve your chances of clearing the PTE exam. Good luck!